Alrighty traders, hello everyone. Welcome to today's update. I want to talk about two things in today's update. First thing I'm going to be talking about obviously what actually happened in today, bit of an update across the markets. And secondly, I've got a bit of a hard pill to swallow for you guys who are trading the markets. I've been speaking to some of you guys on the phone recently and it's... Alright, I'm going to be really honest with you guys, okay? Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it. Guys, I think I've got 2 spots left for that Super Trader formula. And plus also the free access to the trading course as well too. You get both of those right now. So this is what I want you to do right now. First thing in the description, click on that, go over. Put your email address in. As soon as you get an email address, you can book to have a call with me about the Super Trader formula. And you'll see all the details over there. Plus, also, I'm going to email you the free trading course as well too. 2 spots left for this opening, guys. Go get that right now. So let's actually start with an update, and then I want to talk to you about the bit of a hard pill to swallow for you guys, right? So let's have a look at this here. So looking at the actual stock market itself. Let's go look at the good old stocky market. What happened to the stocky market today? So yesterday I did a video saying probably going to get more of a pullback here soon at a good old stocky market. The good old, and so what's happening right now in the S&P 500? We're actually getting that, right? Nice little pullback, and we're probably going to continue getting more of a pullback through here. But I don't see this being anything big or major, right? I just don't see it being big or major. I do see this overall pullback being through here, and then if there's anything, is there anything here? Let's actually draw this from there to there. Let's actually see this very long-term trend line coming into play. Is there anything long-term here, right? So that's actually probably going to be the line I would use for the S&P 500. You can see that through there. We've got that resistance level through. Let's take that off the screen now because it's not relevant to what we're looking at now. And let's have a look at this here. So we have this whole purpose through here. So we have this pullback through here. And then we're doing this. We're probably going to do something like this. And then I would say we're probably going to do something like that and then have a move back to the upside. That's what I'm looking at there from this perspective. So again, squeezing up this massive triangle pattern here. Now, if indeed, guys, this does do something like this, where is the projection? How do you actually project this? If indeed we do get what I just said there, that's the if scenarios. People are like, oh, John, if this, if that, you don't know what's going to happen. Newsflash, no one does. That's why we wait for the market to give us a bit of confirmation and then we jump on the trade. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so if we do get that, how do you actually identify where it's likely to go to? So see this triangle pattern here, wherever the first support level is in the triangle pattern, you measure from the high. Right, so the high of the support was the resistance line. You project that down. Did I just go through my mind right now? If you guys watched yesterday's video, I talked about the banana, right? Maybe I should bring the banana back. Guys, type banana in the chat box below if you did watch yesterday's video. The reason why I want you to do that, because some people who didn't watch yesterday's video are going to come to this video, watch today's video, look at the comment section, and they're going to be so confused at hell, like, banana? What? Why are all these people typing banana for? So, go do that. So what you do is you measure from the high of the resistance down to the support, then down to the support level, and then guess what? Then we project that out from there to there. That's what we do. So that's what we do, right? And then what does that do? Oh, isn't that a Qinky Dink? I think not, ladies and gentlemen. I think not. Right? Look at that. This is why I absolutely love technical analysis, right? Which, by the way, guys, FYI, if you're going to trade the markets, don't look at the news and then trade, right? The news is always late, right? The news is always late. The fundamentals are always looking backwards, not forwards, okay? So you can't trade off that. Trade technically. But look at that. Look at that. If we do break, that tells me we should actually see a really nice move to the upside on the S&P 500. And isn't it a Qinky Dink? What a Qinky Dink that we have that target there at what? 4,800, right? Amazing. Let's go look at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is doing something similar. If I look at this from a long-term perspective, so that'll be that long-term trend line coming through, I would say. That level through there. There's so many lines on this chart. Don't like too many lines. Don't like too many lines. So we'll get that through there. This is more like I'm seeing this type of pattern more happening on the Dow Jones than it goes, right? Squeezing up, and they've got that resistance line through there. I would say somewhere through there. So even though the Dow Jones is pulling back again, like today, we had another down day today, as you can see, I do expect it to hold support here real soon to create a significant higher low. So, all right, let's bring the banana out, okay? What's the banana say? I love it, guys. I love it. The banana. Where's the banana? All right. So there's the banana right there, right at that level of support. Isn't that a Qinky Dink? Once again, if you guys do technical analysis long enough, you start to realize that, hang on a minute, the banana also lines up with that support level. What a Qinky Dink, right? Right. For you guys that don't know what the banana is, it's the 50% level, 50 to 60% level, but around about these whole Fibonacci levels, 50 to 60%. This is the banana right here. Why do I call it banana? I don't know. Check yesterday's video. And even in yesterday's video, I just started calling it a banana. I was like, we're going to probably find good support at the banana. Which is ironic, right? Because if you step on a banana, there's probably very little support with that. Probably good support on your ass when you fall over. Anyway, I'm having a good time. Anyway, so let's go look at the Nasdaq, right? And so we can see the banana. That's the banana, right? 11,600, 11,400. Oh my goodness. I'm having such a good time, you guys. So, and as you can see, right, look where the banana, look where the banana is, right? See the two dotted lines, the banana? Look at that. Look at all that resistance and support of previous resistance, right? So I zoom in, look at this here. So look where the banana is. Once again, what a Qinky Dink, right? Round the banana, support at the banana, resistance at the banana, resistance at the banana, resistance at the banana, resistance at the banana, support at the banana. What's going to happen here? Oh, banana. It's probably going to slip and keep going down too. So don't because it's been supported. You don't want to just trade the banana, right? You still want to wait for the turn. But if we do get down to the banana and something like that, and then a breakout, guess what? Now, what do? We do this, right? We do something like that. We do something like that. We project it up like that, right? And I guarantee it's probably going to be at some sort of resistance level, right? Like that. Maybe up through there like that. Let's actually zoom in. Oh, all right, guys, I can't make this up. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at all that support, and then all this resistance level through here. That's where the Nasdaq's probably going to go to, right? The Nasdaq's probably going to go to there. If indeed we do get what? We get the banana going on, right? Like something like that. And then we see a big move to the upside. So moving over now through to the mining sector. Continue getting the pullback here, just like I expected, guys. More downside to come to the banana. Is it a ripe banana, or is it a green banana? Is it an yellow banana, or is it a moldy banana? Which one is it? So right there, level, guys. I do expect to see, just like the stock market, I do see all these things pulling back, but it looks like the stock market and all the mining sector are going to do the same thing, right? Having a small little pullback now, and then we scoop up to see another move to the upside from there. So that's what I'm looking at there from the GDXJ. Moving on now through to the GDX. Again, same sort of thing, guys. Once again, very strong move up. We're getting a pullback here. The big one for the GDXJ is around about this sort of, if I take this off the screen, right, remove the banana, remove that. So you can see what's happening here. So we're probably going to start to fill in a lot through here before we see that big breakout through there, I would say from there. Moving now through to silver. Silver, once again, guys, still continue this pullback. So I would expect a lot more of a pullback out of silver because we had such a big move. So I would expect maybe another week or two out of silver to go sideways before we start to see another big breakout to the upside. And also moving over now through to gold. Right, gold is once again, guys, doing a really, really, really nice pattern here. Gold is about to see some incredible move. This one market, guys, that support level there, this one market here, guys, is probably going to spend another week or two going sideways, just like silver, but then we're going to see some more movement to the upside. So there we go, guys. There's the technical analysis side of things, a bit of and then lastly, I want to finish off with this, guys, okay? I'm seeing so many people in trading the markets the way that they think they should be trading instead of modeling success. If you are trading the markets right now and you are not following someone who's doing it successfully, but you just think, oh, well, this is how I'm going to trade, but you're actually not modeling someone, what are you doing? Right? What are you doing? Right? I was talking with actually my clients today. I've been trading markets for 19 years, and I was showing them that the stuff that I teach you today is actually taking me 19 years to really get good at, right? To really understand. So the thing is that if you're just trying to guess the wheel, why are you doing that? You are spending years and years and years trying to reinvent the wheel, where there's dozens and dozens of really good traders out there that do really well, that you can just go with them, go deep with them, not just surface level, go deep with them, stick with them, get better at what they do, get better at how they trade the markets, like you get better at how they trade the markets. And that's how you end up getting better, right? So if you're not modeling, if your trading approach right now is not based off an actual modeling someone who's actually doing it already, you are literally spinning your wheels, right? Because one, that might not be actually a good approach. And secondly, you don't have anyone to actually sort of, back and forwards off, right? So to really, if you want to really cut you down, cut like what I call decades into months, right? Like I was teaching some of my clients today, one trading pattern that we look at has a massive probability of having, like you might be risking, say, 50% using 50% on a trade, right? So 50% on a risk, or 50% on the risk, right? So that might be the average loss, but this one particular trade has the potential of doing 200, 300, 400%. So if you're doing 200, 300, 400% on your wins, and it's like 80% of the time it's gonna, or 90% of the time it's gonna make a profit, and then 10% of the time it doesn't, it makes a 50% loss. Guess what? You're a winner, right? But I was sharing with them that it's taken me a long time to actually figure out what that pattern is that gives us that sort of return. Make sense, guys? So please, to save yourself a lot of time, guys, if you are trading based off what you think is a good idea, right? Well, I think I should look at the news, and I should do this, or who are you following? Who is a successful trader that you follow that is actually doing that, right? And if you don't have anyone that's trading the markets, not investing in the markets, but trading the markets in a way where, but they're doing it successfully, and that's their main thing, then you want to start to say, okay, then, or maybe I'm doing this the wrong way, and then maybe I need to model success even more. So there we go, traders. Hope this helped you out. Once again, guys, make sure you click on that link in the description below. Grab access to that free trading course and also the Super Trader format as well.